So as we all know, the whole world loves digital watches, and digital watches is like whether it is a Casio F91W or Casio A168, all the legendary watches. अगर ये भी ना हो, Casio का भी ना हो, कुछ और ब्रांड का हो, वो सबके कलेक्शन में एक या दो तो होता ही है. Like even a watch enthusiast or a normal people, सबके कलेक्शन में एक ना एक होता है. So ऐसे ही I also have a 5 digital watch collection which I'm going to show you guys today. And already मेरा टिक टिक करने लग गया digital watches. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. My name is Rhythm and welcome to my channel Desi Watch Hub. So before starting the video, let me show you guys what I'm wearing today. So I'm wearing this beautiful Moonswatch Snoopy edition, which I really love. It's been almost 3 days कि मैंने ये खरीदा है. Don't worry guys, मैं बहुत जल्द एक unboxing video लाने वाला हूँ. So stay tuned. मैं अभी पहन रहा हूँ just for the review. Like I can give you guys a proper review about this watch. Now let's talk about the topic of this video. So the first watch I'm going to talk about is going to be the legendary, the OG Casio F91W, which is loved by each and every human being, whether he is a terrorist और कोई एक आम इंसान जो कि रास्ते में घूमता रहता है, सिर्फ वेलेबंदी करता रहता है, सबको ये वॉच बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. कम्स विद ग्रेट फीचर्स, ग्रेट रिलायबिलिटी, ग्रेट लॉन्जेविटी एंड एवरीथिंग. 3 साल पुराना Casio F91W है. आज तक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ इस वॉच को. मैं पानी में इसको पहन के गया हूँ. लाइक आई वेंट फॉर स्विमिंग. मैंने इस वॉच को फ्रीज करके एकदम फ्रीजर में ही रख दिया, फिर भी इस वॉच को कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. इट स्टिल वर्क्स परफेक्टली. ना स्क्रीन में टाइम देखने में कोई दिक्कत आता है, ना ही कुछ. हाँ, इस वॉच में एक बहुत ही सबसे बड़ा फ्लो है एंड दैट इज इसका बैकलाइट. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, इस बैकलाइट का कोई काम है नहीं. बाकी एवरीथिंग वर्क्स परफेक्टली एंड इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट featured watch under ₹1000. You can set your alarm, you can use a stopwatch and all the other things. I'm not promoting anyone, but if a terrorist is using this watch for like in his time bombs and everything, then you should know that this watch has something in it. ऐसे में वो एक बंदा जो कि एक क्लॉक भी ले सकता था, वो ये वॉच क्यों चूज़ किया? There might be something in this watch, right? So yes guys, this is the Casio F91W that we all love. And also guys, before moving forward, let me tell you guys one thing, and that is all the watches I'm going to show and whatever I'm going to say about those watches is all my own personal opinion and comments. So the second watch is going to be हमारे Casio F91W का एक बड़ा भाई, जो कि उसके बीच में भी एक भाई आता है, बस उससे बड़ा है ये वाला, which is Casio A168. सबसे ज़्यादा versatile watch है under ₹3000 and has got a ton of features. Backlight is one of the most special thing in this watch and I love the backlight. The features are same just like the Casio F91W, but looks wise the backlight is completely different and the build quality, oh my god, this watch is one of the best watches I have in my collection. Just like the Casio F91W, this watch has also a lot of like history. If you're an Indian, you might have seen a lot of cricketers, a lot of movie stars wearing these watches. When they wear this watch, you should definitely know that it has something special in it. And मेरे लिए तो ये watch बहुत ही ज़्यादा special है because I guess this was the third watch in my collection. Also, if you talk about like outfit wise, this watch can go with anything, anywhere, and nobody will judge you for wearing a watch like this because this is a legendary watch guys. And from the brand like OG Casio got tab brand, you'll love it guys, you'll love it. So this was the Casio A168. Now comes the third watch, which is going to be a Casio Royal AE1200. Now this watch has got something in it. As usual guys, the build quality, everything on this watch is absolutely stunning. And the modes we get in this watch, it has a wall time, you get a world map over here, and this watch really makes you feel like you are some spy or something. And the modes on this watch are, you'll get alarm, you'll get wall time, you'll get timer, you'll get stopwatch, and you'll get the normal time which you see. And most importantly, this watch has a 100 meter of water resistant. And trust me guys, मैं इस watch को भी पहन के swim किया हूँ, एक भी कुछ problem नहीं आया इस watch में. Just look, मैं एक बार कैमरा में दिखा देता हूँ. Stays for 3 seconds and this is one of the greatest features which every watch should have. And मुझे खुद को बहुत अच्छा लगता है because आधे से ज़्यादा watches में lume is like रहता है 5 मिनट, then it fades away. So मुझे वैसे नहीं पसंद. I love backlights, I love lumes. It should be top notch. Okay. and I know उसके लिए मुझे उतना पैसा भी पे करना पड़ता है, but never mind guys. So yes guys, this watch is more versatile than any other fashion watch brands. So this was the third watch. Now we are going to talk about the fourth watch, which is kind of special for me because this was the first watch which I gifted to myself on my birthday itself. So I'm talking about the D240 Gold Casio, which is again one of my most favorite digital watches because as I told you, like, this was my first gold watch and I gifted it to myself on my birthday. This watch has got something different in it because of the looks and everything. Like, the salmon backlight is also looking very good. The buttons over the dial looks really unique from other watches. Just like the vintage watches, आपको इस watch के dial के ऊपर ही लिखा हुआ मिल जाता है, like the month कहाँ दिखता है, date कहाँ दिखता है, and day कहाँ दिखता है. This watch has also the same features as the Casio F91W and the Casio A168. तो मैं अलग से आपको नहीं बताने वाला क्या क्या features है. There's one big flaw on this watch that the dial and the sides of this watch वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा easily scratch हो जाता है. Like, मैंने अपने birthday पे पहना था तो मैंने कुछ किया भी नहीं था, like कुछ कहीं भी नहीं लगा था. It's just the cloth which I was wearing and फटाक ट्यून करके एकदम scratch हो जाता है. So this is a very big flaw about this watch. Now we are going to talk about the last watch of the series, like of my collection, the digital watch collection, and that is none other than the G-Shock DW5600 Tough Solar variant. So this is the first G-Shock which I own, and this is the only G-Shock which I have in my collection. I used to think, like, why do people wear G-Shock so much and what's the hype all about? Like, from the starting itself, मैं बचपन से सुनता आया हूँ G-Shock G-Shock G-Shock, but मैं जब ये watch खरीदा, मैं इस watch को पहना, मुझे पता चला what is G-Shock all about. I got to know about the history of this watch ये watch पहनने के बाद, and I am in love with it guys. So this watch comes with a ton of features just like the other watches. It has a wall time, it has an alarm, it has a stopwatch, it has a timer, and it has a normal time. And the backlight also looks too good, just थोड़ा कम seconds के लिए रहता है. That is a big flaw for me. As you know that this is the solar variant, and solar variant होते ही like इसका तो degrade होता है, like the solar power and all, and ये एकदम starting से ही high पे है. Like, मैं जब से इसको ख़रीदा हूँ ये रखा हुआ रहता है, ये तब से हाई पे ही है. ये कम भी नहीं होता है, ये मीडियम में भी नहीं आता है, लो में भी नहीं आता है, कुछ नहीं होता है. स्टेज ऑन हाई. आई डोंट नो इफ़ दैट्स एन इशू, लाइक जो समझ में नहीं आता है वो चीज़. बाकी मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से बात किया, वो लोग भी बोलते हैं दैट इट्स नॉर्मल, इट्स यू नो okay, no, that's not a big issue, but I do feel that this is an issue. But I'll check on this guys. As I mentioned guys, why I wear this for swimming, because this has a 200 meter of water resistant, which is great at a price point of 5,000, and I got it for like 4,800 or something. The Tough Solar variant. Just have to be, you know, active रहने पर आपको हर watches एक अच्छे discounted price में मिल जाएगा. So this is the key guys. And yes guys, this was the first G-Shock in my collection, and till date the last G-Shock in my collection. I'll buy more in the future. And guys, with the G-Shock I end today's video, and I hope you really like my collection, like the digital watch collection. I was planning to make ऐसा कुछ video जिसमें मैं आपको थोड़ा करके मेरे collection को दिखाऊंगा, and at the last, like end of the year, मैं आपको पूरा collection एक साथ दिखाऊंगा. उसके लिए मुझे 2 पार्ट बनाने पड़ेंगे. So अभी के लिए थोड़ा करके आपको दिखाऊंगा. So with that, I'm going to end this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So yes, good night, take care, adios amigos. And also guys, do not forget, next video is going to be really special, something really special. Okay, so bye.